You can create the to-do lists templates in Canva just like this one, and later on you can modify them into different color schemes, and even you can change them into different styles by changing their backgrounds or by changing their font. And in this video I'm exactly going to show you how you can create that within the Canva. And if you want to get this template, I will also give a link in the description below from where you can get all these simple designs. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, I'm going to go to the home page of the Canva, sign in, create a new design, and from here you need to select the size. I will select A4 document and click OK. Click the text, add the heading, drag it onto the top, edit the heading, make it bold, and select the font of your choice. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to select this kind of a handwritten font, Architect's Daughter. That is the name of this font. So once you've done, the next step is to you can go here and click this view tab and then click fill. So it is going to fill the whole page or zoom in the page. And now we have to add a line. Click elements and then click line. If this is not visible, then you can search a line here. Select the line of your own choice. I'm just going to select a simple line. Draw the line below this, and now you can customize the line. I'm just going to give it a red color and make it a little bold. So the next step is to select a tick box which you will draw here. So you can either select this rounded shape square or a corner shaped square. So I'm going to select this. You can bring it here, click this and make it no fill, then select the line and make the border around 3 or 4 weight, and then you have to select a line. Take that line and align it with the bottom of this circle and increase the length of the line and take it to the extreme right. Just see that in a slideshow it seems okay. Change the color of the line to black. Okay, now we have to group this box and line. Select both, go here and make it click group. Now they are one object. What we can do now is that create a copy of this, create Control C and Control V, create multiple copies of that. So once all these copies are created, select all the copies, go to the position and click left, and then select the lowermost copy, drag it to the bottom of the page. Now again select all the copies, click position and click distribute vertically. Now as you can see that our to-do list is ready. We'll just make few refinements by reducing the thickness of the lines. So we have reduced the thickness of the lines, and I'm just again trying to distribute them vertically and make them left aligned. So as you can see that we have just created a to-do list template, or to be more specific, daily to-do list template, which you can create. And now I'm just going to show you how you can customize these templates into different shapes so that you can use them. You can give it to your friends. They can use them digitally on their iPads, or they can take a printout of it and they can use. Or else, if you want to create a side hustle of creating the digital products which you can sell on marketplaces like Etsy, you can create these Canva templates and you can sell them, or you can also sell them as printables on Etsy. So I'm just now going to make a copy of this. So in the second copy, I'm just going to change the color, and we are going to make another copy, and this time we are going to search for backgrounds. So from here, select any background of your choice, drag that background into this, and this is how simply you can modify or customize your to-do lists. Let me show you by making another copy of it and changing the background of this. I'm going to select another background, maybe this one. So now let me show you the slideshow. So this was our first to-do lists. We changed the color and make this to-do list in with this background, and then we inserted the abstract background behind these to-do lists to make them further more aesthetics. But it depends what kind of to-do list you want. And once you are done, you can click share. So you can share it by copying the link to with your friends and family, or if you want to use it for yourself, you can click download. And from here you can again select the type, that whether you want to download it as an image or as a PDF file. So in case I want to download as a PDF, I can select standard PDF and click download. I'll wait for the download to complete, and then I will show you this list in a PDF format. So our download is almost complete, and let me show you now. So this is our to-do lists. As you can see here, these are the different pages. You can simply take this PDF file into your iPad and you can start to use it. You can make for example 30 copies for the complete month and use it as a daily to-do list. Doesn't matter if you are a student or a businessman or anybody else, you can write down your tasks for the day and you can start to take them and complete them. So if you want to buy all these templates of the to-do lists, I will give the link in the description. You can buy it from there. In any case, if you want to make me some other templates in Canva, you can ask me in the comment section below. Canva is a free tool to use and create templates like these. But if you want to use it as a side hustle and you want to create digital products to sell them online, I would highly recommend to try their pro or premium version of Canva, which is I think $54 a year, which comes out to be around 5 or 6 maybe dollars a month. I will give the link for the Canva Pro in the description below. In any case, thanks for watching.